Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pike County, Pennsylvania, effective until 3:40 p.m. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles from Mountain River, 8 miles west of Montana, moving at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matamoras, Milford, Mill Rift, Twin Lakes, and Damon's Ferry. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.